Hello, pilots of SWAPA. Before we move into this year's survey, educate, and poll process, I think it's important we take a look back at what our fellow pilot unions have faced before us and what we can learn from their experiences. A great place to do that is through a series every professional pilot should have on their reading list, Flying the Line Volumes 1 and 2. These books chronicle the story of the airline pilot profession, the struggles, the victories, and the lessons that built the foundation that we stand on today. The history of our profession has never been calm. It's been shaped by transformation from 3 pilot cockpits to 2, by economic pressures that tested every contract, by mergers, takeovers, and corporate restructuring, by fights over pilot manning and missteps in scope negotiations, and even by conflict within some of our own organizations. And yet, through every challenge, pilots found ways to adapt and to unite. Flying the Line tells the stories of how our predecessors took on those very challenges, often at great personal cost, and how unity and foresight carried the profession forward. In this series, we'll look at some of those pivotal moments, as well as parallels from our own history here at SWAPA, to see what lessons still apply today and what we can learn from both. The landscape is shifting. The question isn't whether change will come, it's how we prepare for it. What can we take from the past to protect what we've built? And how do we make sure we don't repeat the same mistakes? SWAPA's answer as we begin the process is simple. Preserve the victories and leverage our experience with the RLA and pattern bargaining. We'll use the lessons of the past to shape the next deal, to avoid pitfalls and strengthen what already works. This isn't a call to arms. It's a call to be ready and to clear some space for time to think. Be thinking about ways this contract serves you and your family and about ways that it falls short. Because when the survey season arrives in the spring, your input will become the building blocks of our next agreement. That's how you achieve a 93% ratification rate. Stay tuned for more of this history series as we show how unity, preparation, and purpose have always been the keys to moving this profession forward, and how they'll carry us to the finish line once again.